Before buying an essential oil diffuser, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many look great on the outside, but are a total letdown when it comes to coverage and performance. Let's uncover the true gems that will fill your large spaces with amazing scents. Product number 1, ASAKUKI 500 ml Essential Oil Diffuser. The ASAKUKI Essential Oil Diffuser is a real standout. Priced at just $25.29, it features a massive 500 ml water tank and remote control. If you want something that can quickly fill your large room with soothing aromas, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the auto shut-off feature means you won't have to worry if you forget to turn it off. It also has an ultra-quiet fan, operating below 23 dB, ideal for a peaceful night's sleep. And with over 10,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many people trust this brand. Now, some users have mentioned that the light settings can be a bit bright for nighttime use. Here's the thing, though, most people find they can turn the lights off while keeping the mist on, so it's not a deal breaker. This diffuser is perfect for you if you want a versatile option that doubles as a nightlight and aromatherapy device. Skip this one if you need a diffuser that specifically focuses on aesthetics over functionality. Honestly, at this price, it's a great value. Now, if the remote control feature caught your eye, wait until you hear about our next option, which brings even more convenience. Product number 2, YOUNKITY 20-Hour Diffuser. The YOUNKITY 20-Hour Long-Lasting Aromatherapy Diffuser is another fantastic choice, priced at $31.61. It's compact yet powerful, designed for large rooms while being the size of a palm. If you're looking for something that won't take up much space but still covers a lot, this one's for you. That means you can enjoy uninterrupted aromatherapy throughout the day. It also features a silent operation at only 25 decibels, which means you can enjoy your favorite scents without any distracting noise. The remote control adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to set timers and mist levels easily. Some people have pointed out that it can be tricky to clean due to its smaller opening. But here's the thing, you can easily use a small bottle brush to get in there, so it's manageable and not a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient diffuser that's easy to operate and won't clutter your space. Skip this one if you're looking for something that has a larger capacity. Considering the features, it's a great value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize large coverage. Product number 3, ASAKUKI 500 ml White Diffuser. Next up is another offering from ASAKUKI, the 500 ml Essential Oil Diffuser in white, priced at $27.44. With the same great features as its yellow counterpart, it's a solid choice if you prefer a more neutral design. If you want a reliable diffuser that blends into your decor while providing excellent performance, this is worth a serious look. Like the other ASAKUKI model, it has a large tank and multiple mist settings, which means you can customize your experience based on your needs. Plus, the safety features ensure that it won't overheat, making it safe for overnight use. Now, some users have noted that the mist can feel a bit light in larger spaces. But here's the thing, having multiple settings allows you to adjust it based on your room size, so it can still effectively fill your space. This is perfect for you if you appreciate functionality without sacrificing style. Skip this if you are looking for a more high-tech option. For the price and features, you're getting a good deal. If you're looking for something high-tech, our next product will take things to the next level. Product number 4, XCITIN Waterless Diffuser. Coming in strong, the XCITIN Waterless Essential Oil Diffuser is a powerful machine at $75.88. This one can cover a whopping 3,000 SQ/FT and runs without water. If you're serious about scenting large areas without messy upkeep, this diffuser is worth your attention. It runs for up to 60 days on a single 400 ml tank, which means less time worrying about maintenance and more time enjoying your space. Plus, with Bluetooth control, you can manage everything from your phone, making it super convenient. However, some users have mentioned that the initial setup can be a bit complex. But here's the thing, it's a one-time setup that once you get through, the benefits are huge for regular use. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss solution that provides long-lasting fragrance. Skip this if you prefer a traditional water-based diffuser. For its coverage and features, the price is justifiable. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, our last product on the list is just that. Product number 5, Jack and Rose Essential Oil Diffuser. Last but not least, we have the Jack and Rose Essential Oil Diffuser priced at $24.27. This one's perfect for a modern aesthetic and still packs a punch in large spaces. If you're after a stylish solution that doesn't break the bank, this could be your pick. Why should you consider this? With a 500 ml capacity, it's designed to cover up to 480 ft2 while providing up to 20 hours of continuous fragrance. It's quiet too. It employs noise reduction technology, ensuring a peaceful environment for sleep or work, and its sleek design fits in with any home decor. Some users found the timer settings a bit confusing at first, but honestly, once you get the hang of how it works, you'll appreciate the flexibility it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, functional diffuser at a great price. Skip this if you're looking for something with advanced features. Overall, for the price, it's a fantastic value. So there you have it. We covered the ASAKUKI yellow and white models for their reliability and functionality, the compact YOUNKITY for its portability, the XCITIN for its impressive coverage and tech features, and the stylish Jack and Rose for budget-friendly options. Depending on your needs, there's an excellent diffuser here for every large space. Choose wisely and enjoy the wonderful aromas.